Hello and welcome everyone. It's been quite some time since I've made a video. I missed that. This is going to be a very short one. This is definitely not an introduction gun or introduction of any firearm that I got, but it's definitely a firearm that I got recently, which I've never done a video on here. Hey, what is that? A lot of people have made videos about this, and this is pretty much one of my favorite gun to have on my EDC rotation, and definitely yes it is. But at this point, I'm actually making this video for the field strip series that I started making quite some time back. Unfortunately, for various reasons, I was not able to continue making it. So I decided, you know what, with this guy, I'm going to do the next one because slightly different, right? So the field strip of this is slightly different from a different model from the same company, and that is SIG Sauer. This is SIG Sauer P365. It's a 10 rounder. So I'm going to show you how to field strip it. Letting everyone know before I go further, this is a loaded gun. Nothing in the chamber, but the magazine is loaded. So I'm moving the magazine out. I'm going to show you. So technically this gun does not require you to pull a trigger, but I'm like, yeah, there's nothing in the chamber, and that's good. I don't have to pull the trigger to field strip this. So how to field strip a P365? A P365 has, basically I'm not going to show you how to remove the fire control unit because you don't need to clean it. So for cleaning it, all what you have to do is on P365, you actually pull it all the way back and use a slide lock. If you don't do the slide lock, this will not come down. So if it is like this and like this, check it out. This won't go down at all. I can use all the force I have. I can try everything, it won't go down. So P365 is slightly different from P320, which I've done a video before. So slide all the way back, lock it. And then another question is, what if I don't lock the slide and I pull all the way back and try to turn it? That won't work. You have to lock it. That is the only way this is going to turn. And now, undo the slide. Pull it back a little so you lose the tension on the spring. Just slide out. One thing I always mention is I love these kinds of field stripping because first of all, you don't have to pull the trigger. Secondly, it's very easy and you don't need a special tool to remove it. I have another one that I got which requires a punch hole or something sharp to remove a pin, and then you can lose the pin, so stuff like that. So every guns are different. So at this point you remove that, remove the spring, and you remove the barrel, and there you go. If you want to go further, yes, you can remove the fire control unit on this model and P320 and some Ruger and a few other models. I think one of the Berettas. Not needed for field stripping and cleaning. So that's how we field strip a gun. Not a gun, P365. Want to put it back, reverse it, put the barrel back in place, your recoil spring goes in, and now it's simple, you just slide it in all the way back and lock it. And now undo it and there you go. Just put back together. That is how you field strip a SIG P365. I hope you enjoyed it. You learned something new, or maybe something that might help somebody who got the P365 for the first time. So thank you. Feel free to hit the like, share and subscribe if it adds value to your knowledge. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.